Hey guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a whole bunch of drop tests on some iPhones. These are all iCloud locked, and as far as I know, they don't turn on. If they do, like I said, they're iCloud locked. Starting up is an iPhone 6S. Alrighty. We're going to do the backdrop at waist height in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the wind made it land straight on its screen from waist height, and it completely shattered. That's great. We're going to try to do the backdrop again. From waist height, I'm going to spin it maybe if that works. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go take a look at the camera lens. Looks to be like it did alright. These phones always did pretty good. Sorry guys, I had a call. But anyways, these phones really do good on the backs because they're metal and not glass. I'm just going to do a side drop. So as you can see, I do have a little stand we could use now to show it. Side drop in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. As you can see, I went towards the headphone jack area. A couple little indents. It's not too bad. Looks like I did crack the screen a little bit from that side drop, but since the glass was already compromised, that's probably it. Let's go ahead and do a waist height or a head height drop on the back. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, taking a look at it. Definitely got some indents in the metal. The camera lens still looks good. Looks pretty good so far. Let's go ahead and do the side drop because there's no point in the face drop. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. I didn't have the phone aimed down because I was looking to make sure I got it straight. So it looks like it hit right here. That volume was already, the speaker indent was already there. There's a hit right there in the corner. Pretty bad. That's all we can really do on it. I'm not going to do a throw test because I got some other iPhones that we're going to do. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.